How to install VLC Media Player on your Mac. If you need a free video player that can open almost any file format, VLC is one of the best options. You can download it safely from the official website and install it in just few steps. So here's how you can install it. Firstly, I'm going to open my browser, and in the search bar I will type VLC, and we want to navigate to official website, which is www.videolan.org. So click on it simply, and from here you have option to download VLC. So it supports Windows, you have macOS, you have Android, and you have also Linux. So you can simply click on this drop down. Now you have two macOS options. First one is basic macOS or macOS Apple Silicon. So the Silicon means you have MacBook from M series, so M1, M2, M3, M4 or M5. So this is for those Apple-like chips. And if you have some macOS Intel, you can use also that. So this is for like older setups. So I'm gonna go with the Apple Silicon because I have M4 MacBook Air. It's going to show us to download VLC and current version of it. And if the download didn't start, you can click on here and it's going to start. But I can see it's downloading, so I'm gonna click on my download history and you can see this VLC. So now, once we have this downloaded, what we can do, you can simply double click on it. And this is going to show you this window where you have to drag this VLC into application in order to install it. So I'm gonna simply drag it here and it's going to extract, and now we should be able to see it and we can use it. So I'm gonna close this now. I can close this as well. And now if I go to my Spotlight search, I can type for VLC and you can see it installed in your computer. So I'm gonna open it. Now, firstly, what you can do, you can allow VLC to find devices on local networks and then collect the data from devices. So you can allow this or not. I will not allow this. Then you can check for album art and metadata. So you can enable it, but I will not enable it. In my case, you can do what you want. So I'm going to go with no thanks. And now it's going to show you VLC Media Player. So I can make it larger and we can start using it. So you want to click on Open Media. Now you want to allow access to your folders to VLC. And from here you can choose a file. So if I click on Browse, it's going to show you your computer files and we can simply find some video. So let's say I can use this change language. I'm going to click on it. Now it's going to upload here and you can change many different options. You have custom playback, you have add subtitle file. And to open it, just simply click on open. And this is going to, you have to again allow access. How to change the language on your Mac. And now you can see your video in a VLC media player. So now you can watch it, and this is how you can download VLC for macOS. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.